Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. As you would have heard from the radio show during the week, for the rest of the month of February we've teamed up with Quinlans Fish, and what they've done is they've challenged us to a cook-off. Now, what that means is go and get yourself some Quinlans fish or some of their lovely smoked salmon and put together some sort of a meal or recipe or whatever. All we need from you then in the meantime is pictures of your before and after, or like this, a video. Now, you can get as creative as you like. It doesn't have to be a masterpiece, Michelin star style, as you're about to see from what I'm going to do just to make a bit of lunch right now. As you can see, the potatoes are already cooking away. I'm going to make a few potatoes, a small bit of broccoli, and just this morning I was in Quinlan's and I picked up some lovely hake for myself. Now, the reason I chose hake, I was doing a show a couple of years ago from the Mall and Tralee, just inside the window of CH Chemist, if you know it. And Liam Quinlan came over and he knocks on the window and he handed me a bag like this. And he said, "Go away home now, fry that off, it'll be unbelievable." I don't think I'd actually tasted hake before in my life up to that point. I loved it. So picked this up from Quinlan's this morning, and it's enough for two. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on the tray, put a bit of oil on it, stick it in the oven at 180 degrees for about 15-16 minutes, and then just as I said, have a small bit of lunch. Now this is enough for two. There's two fillets here. Oh, savage, look at that. Two beautiful pieces of hake there, right? So I'm gonna stick them in and put a small bit of oil on them. Rub it in, just a tiny bit now, don't want to make too much of a mess. It's probably a little bit too much there. Spread it across, just so that it doesn't stick to the tin foil either. Oh yeah, that's the job. So I'm just gonna wrap it up loosely in the tin foil and stick it in. 15 minutes, 180 degrees. Lunch will be sorted. If you want to get involved and do your own recipe, it can be anything. Now mine, as you can see, is potatoes, broccoli and hake. It's very straightforward. I'm not the best chef in the world, so I try to keep it simple. You can also do the same if you'd like. Email breakfast@radiokerry.ie, or from Monday morning you can WhatsApp your photographs or your videos to us 083 300 3300. So for the rest of the month of February we're challenging you to do some various fish dishes if you'd like, and all you need to do to win a €100 gift voucher is get involved. If you're sending us photographs, we need a before and an after, and if you're sending us a video just like this, doesn't need to be a masterpiece, just do it, give us a quick synopsis of what you're doing, and make sure obviously it's Quinlan's fish or some of their lovely smoked salmon. Alright? Okay, 15 minutes is up, let's have a look. Oh, smells good. Nice. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that. Perfection. Right. And there we have it.